Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. We do have to start learning some new information. I don't know how long we will be doing online distance learning, but as long as we do this, just know that if you get stuck on anything, please make sure and send me a screenshot through Remind. I can get to it a lot faster. It goes to my phone. If you ask me a question on Schoology, I can still answer it, but it just takes a little bit longer. I will get to it, okay? So since we're learning some new information, we're going to set this up just like we were doing our composition books. And if we get to go back to school, maybe I'll let you guys use your composition books on final, maybe. Right? Okay, so what we're going to do today, we're going to start logarithms. Logarithms are the inverse of exponential functions. Okay, so it is going to get a little confusing, so we're going to take it baby steps, like baby steps. Okay? So they're called logarithms. Okay, we call them logs for short. Okay, so when you guys are doing logarithm, well, let's look at how when we did exponents first. So say you had 2 to the power of, actually I'm lying, let's not use 2. That gets too confusing. Let's use 5 to the power of 3. We know what 5 to the power of 3 is, I hope. Really, remember, it's not 15, it's 5 times 5 again, so it's 125. Okay, so remember, this number right here, that's your base, right? Hopefully you guys remember that. This is your exponent. Okay, and this, after the equal sign, is always your answer. Okay, so you guys should remember that. That's not difficult part. But when you're doing the inverse, okay, you have a log, okay? In this case, it would be 5 down here. 125 is 3. So all you're doing is you're putting a log in front of it saying, hey, this is the inverse of this exponent. That's what log means. Saying, if you have the log, base 5 is 125, and your answer is 3. Okay? So all you're doing is moving things around. So here's where your base goes, your previous base, right? Okay? Here was your answer. Okay? And here was your old exponent. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that okay. So let's try to do another one. Let me see, I wrote some examples here. Okay, let's try. Let's try. What if we had log, I'm sorry, if we have, yeah, we'll do log of 2 to the power of 16. What would that be equal? Okay, so the way you read this, let's see, without me dropping this, the way you read this is 2 written how many times will equal your 16. Okay, so we have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So what do you think log 2 to 16 is? 2 times 2 times 2. It's going to be 4. How would this look as an exponent now? It would look like 2 to the 4 equals 16. Okay, if we were to write it in exponent. Okay, let's try another one. What would log of 3 to the power, to the 27 equal? 3 written how many times equals 27? Well, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again is 27. So my answer would be 3. Now, if I write that in exponential form, just moving it around, 3, this one, to the power of 3, this one, 27. Okay, so today is just about moving stuff around. Okay, get as much practice as you possibly can because it will get harder. There will come properties with it. Okay, if you guys get stuck, make sure and screenshot it and ask me for help. I understand that on IXL, if you miss one, your points go down. Don't keep missing them over and over and over and over and over. If you missed one, you read the clue and you still don't get it, ask for help. Okay? I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I do miss you. Talk to you soon. Bye.